Hello guys, Asif here. Today we are reviewing full review video Traffic Cloud. So let's start the review. Traffic Cloud. Your web traffic problems solved. Revolutionary software drives free traffic that converts into sales from three top social media giants in three simple clicks. So guys, you want to watch this introductory video, you can check the link in description box. I have already uploaded this video. So let's know more about Traffic Cloud. Here you get unlimited free traffic from red hot social platforms Twitter, LinkedIn and Blogger. Completely newbie friendly social post creator to create and edit ultra engaging visuals in minutes. Choose from a massive collection of 2 billion plus images and 20,000 plus GIFs for your traffic magnets. Embed links and drive 100% free viral traffic to your website or offers in 5 minutes flat. Advanced automation using keywords to target any niche the easy way. Get detailed analytics reports. Know what works and what not. Cloud based, use anywhere in the world without installing anything. Create, set, and forget traffic streams at the touch of a button. The great way to scale up your traffic and earnings without the tiring and tedious work. 100% newbie friendly, no prior experience required. Includes an agency license to set you up for six-figure income potentially with your own agency. Get hands-free traffic with Traffic Cloud now. Get instant access to Traffic Cloud now. So guys, if you want to buy Traffic Cloud, you can check the link in description box, and you will also get a lot of bonuses that will definitely help you to earn more in your life. So let's know more about Traffic Cloud. So now you too can drive 100% free buyer traffic to any site or offer including website, blog, affiliate link, e-commerce store, freelance profile, squeeze pages, sales pages, online marketplaces, social media page, business listing, app downloads, webinar registration, auctions, podcasts, CPA offers, anywhere else, and generate results like we have promoted Amazon products on social media using Traffic Cloud and got, you can see the chart is increasing in it's increasing in each month. The greens is earning, red is click, and or yellow is ordered items. You can see earning more than $3,000 in a single month. So it's a huge amount from one product from Amazon. Over 2,000 plus clicks and 3,000 plus profits. You can see here. These are some testimonials. You can see also its official page. Let's know more about Get Traffic Cloud, the hottest new traffic generation software. So basically it helps to get more and more traffic from all the social media platforms. So read, create engaging visuals rapidly, securely hosted in the cloud, super simple, easy to use interface, one click integration to Twitter, LinkedIn and Blogger, send traffic to any link of your choice, never pay for traffic again. That's very interesting. As we know guys, traffic, we have to pay a lot to gain traffic, to buy traffic. So if they are saying never pay for traffic again, so it's an incredible software that will save our a lot of money. So let's know more about this. In layman's terms, traffic is the life blood of every online business. No traffic equals no leads, equals no sales, equals no commissions and profits. It's absolutely right. And the mystery is how to get traffic. That's $1 million question. How do I generate web traffic? What are the methods that other people are using and how effective they are in getting your desired results? Let's take a look. Option 1, paid traffic methods, expensive advertising. Option 2, the option 1 is recommended for people who have tons of money to burn. Option 2, organic search traffic, recommended for people who have strong SEO skills or very deep pockets. It's absolutely right. Option 3, viral traffic methods. So it's pretty expensive, right? And that's why most marketers, even if they are making good money, will give you because will give up because boring manual labor or paying through the nose to hire expensive social media manager is not going to give you the satisfaction, time, or freedom that you desire as an online entrepreneur. The painful reality is getting social traffic is like being a kid trying to play with a toy that's locked inside a glass cabinet. You can see it, you just can't touch it. What if you could unleash the power of social media to get all the traffic you will ever need at just a push of a button? Imagine grabbing unlimited traffic, targeted traffic from multiple social media platforms without paying for ads or social media experts, engaging these massive audiences on a level never before possible, stopping people in their news feeds and getting them to click on your offers. Finally, getting this done in just minutes. For ongoing profitable traffic campaigns, you can run to any site or offer in any niche. Drum rolls, please, because we are about to unveil the most powerful free traffic solution you have ever seen. Introducing Traffic Cloud. So, a brand new traffic solution that lets you create unlimited engaging visual posts and instantly share them on multiple social media networks to siphon 100% free traffic in just a few clicks. It comes jam packed with these amazing benefits. Searchable 20,000 plus GIFs. These are already same information as I have read. So guys, if you are interested in buying Traffic Cloud, you can check the link in description box. And don't forget to grab my expensive exclusive bonuses. Those I'm providing with this. To get all the bonuses, you just need to share your payment proof on my Instagram. Over there, I will share all the bonuses. You will also get the link in description box for Instagram. So let's know more about it. Share eye-catching posts that drive target traffic anywhere you want, and it only takes 3 simple steps to do it. Create, embed, and publish. Profit and repeat. That's it. Just 3 steps. Just reply and watch these stunning visual posts stand out and get the links to send you free traffic, putting more leads, sales, and profits in your pocket. Scaling up is as easy as rinse and repeat. That's it. No steep learning curve or 100-page instruction manual. Get bias traffic fast and easy. Watch Traffic Cloud demo video. So guys, I have already uploaded its demo video. You can check the link in description box and you can see the Traffic Cloud demo. So let's know more about this. So how much traffic on social media? Let's see. Twitter has 145 million daily active users. LinkedIn has 303 million active monthly users. Blogger has over 1 million plus websites using Blogger worldwide. So what they are providing now, so get all the traffic deriving features inside one dashboard. Everything you need is included. 2 billion plus searchable images, 20,000 plus GIFs, click technology, post creator and editor, auto publisher, set and forget scheduler, detailed analytics. All that remains for you to do is to grab yourself a cup of coffee and let the magic begin with our innovative tool. So guys, if you want to buy Traffic Cloud, you can check the link in description box. So what's interesting here, they have two plans. One plan has a Traffic Cloud is option 1 personal use, that you need to pay only $27, and option 2 for agency rights. Through you can sell the services only on $67. So this is most recommended because you can also use to earn money. So who is Traffic Cloud for? Internet marketers, affiliate marketers, entrepreneurs, website owners, bloggers, advertisers, offline local businesses, postcasters, social media marketers, e-commerce stores owners. So these are some testimonials for Traffic Cloud. Definitely it's too usable. What's interesting here, so here is what you are getting today. 2 billion plus royalty free searchable images, value $1,92,865, 20,000 plus searchable GIFs, value 12,658, post creator editor $235 per month, click technology $185, social media integration $597, post publisher $229 per month, post scheduler $199 per month, analytics report $99 per month, agency license $497 per total value is 2,07,565. That's priceless, and you can all these at $67. And you also get 30 days money back guarantee. So after this, you can guys buy this option, and you are interested in buying Traffic Cloud, you can check the link in description box, and you also get bonuses from my side. You will get the Instagram link in description box. Thanks for watching my video.